5 things you must get right if you want to be rich. According to self-made millionaire Steve Siebold, creating money is a skill that can be learned. If you work hard enough, you can improve. For most individuals, riches like fluency in another language do not appear overnight. Getting rich requires time and effort. Here are 5 lifestyle modifications that self-made millionaires and billionaires have found successful and which may also be successful for you. Number 1. Don't show off, show up. Grant Cardone, a self-made billionaire who struggled to make ends meet before reaching 7 figures, writes, "I didn't buy my first luxury watch or vehicle until my companies and assets were producing multiple solid sources of income. When I hit the $1 million mark, I was still driving around in a Toyota Camry." Be famous for your work ethic rather than the things you buy. Perhaps Warren Buffett adheres to a similar attitude. He, after all, favors McDonald's and never pays more than $3.17 for a breakfast sandwich. Number 2. Negotiate your salary. Negotiating can be difficult, but failing to get paid what you're worth could mean the difference between living a rich or ordinary life. The amount of money you are paid now, after all, is the number 1 element that will be influencing your future earnings potential and bring you to $1 million faster, according to self-made billionaire Grant Sabatier. Number 3. Be prepared to spend other people's money. The wealthy are not afraid to seek funding. If they have a wonderful concept but are unable to fund it, Siebold adds, they continue to utilize other people's money to make it happen. Rich people are aware that their inability to personally afford something is irrelevant. The true issue is it worthwhile to purchase, invest in, or pursue? If that is the case, the wealthy understand that money is always accessible because wealthy individuals are constantly seeking outstanding investments and better performance to make those investments lucrative. Number 4. Take chances to be open to making mistakes. Nobody gets it perfect the first time. Self-made millionaire Richard Branson argues, business is a giant game of chess in which you must learn swiftly from your failures. Successful business owners do not fear failure. They learn from it and move on. Marcus Lemonis, self-made billionaire and presenter of CNBC's The Profit, believes that fear prevents too many people from making vital decisions. He says, you're going to fail at something. Who cares? Instead of being frightened to take chances, think of every opportunity as a possibility to master new abilities. Number 5. Ditch the steady paycheck. That does not mean you should give up your day job right now. In fact, self-made billionaire Damon John believes that quitting your 9-to-5 job to become a successful entrepreneur is crap. Instead, start something on the side, advises John, who lived off the tips he earned serving tables at Red Lobster while starting the clothing business that would grow into a $6 billion brand. Well, that's all I got for you today. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.